what's good, y'all? It's your boy Shaq with a dollar sign. We back again. Um, currently we're in a 5 minute gold demand. Uh, honestly, it's a huge stop loss. 14, 16 pip stop loss. So we're gonna be in this trade for quite some time. I don't think I'm gonna hold through 9:30. I don't think, but we'll see. Yeah, it's one of those trades, man. Honestly, normally I don't like to be taking setups with such a huge stop loss, but from a rule perspective, the entry was clean. So, like it's set up here. If setup happens, you take it. Who knows? Today, price might want to push to the 14 pip targeted area. It might not, but like I said, setup happens. It was clean. Nothing we can do but take it and see what happens. Ultimately, it's just something where it's just more data. So yeah, we in this setup right now. Floating about 260, 260 profit. Honestly though, with this setup being because the stop loss is so big, if it gets to like 50% of target, I'm going to move um stop loss to break even. Because again, stop loss is huge, bro. 14 pips on gold, that's like normally for me I like to see like 10 anything less than 10 pips. Just with all my experience trading gold, I've seen those setups play out a lot more than the 14. Don't get me wrong, there are random times when the 14, 20, not 20, but like 15, that size stop loss hits. But it really depends on how much gold wants to move. And gold already moves so much too, so we'll see. Excuse me. Let me see what Nasdaq's doing. Yeah, Nasdaq's just chilling. Not really doing anything, going sideways right now. Yeah, nah. This on the 200. 8:57, we got what, 30 minutes to open? 33 minutes to be exact, but and there's no news. So we'll see. We'll see what Gold wants to do. Got my magic keys open because I'm running a personal account as well. I should move that over. Keep that. Yeah, move that over here. So yeah, we're actually running my own personal account while trading this funded challenge. Honestly, I was just at a point where I'm like, you know what? Ultimately, I am gonna be like the goal with even payouts is to deposit it into a live account just to kind of grow and build a live account sooner or faster. So, long story short, I decided, if I'm gonna go live at some point, anyways, I might as well throw some money into a live account and trade with that. That way, when I am taking trades and if I am winning them, I can walk away knowing that I made some profits versus just saying, "Hey, I added money to a challenge." I guess psychologically it's better because again, I'm planning on going live at some point, anyways. So we risk put our own capital, trade both. Because it's nice to see, like, it's nice to know you can be profitable, you're making money, right? But ultimately, when you're doing these challenges and you're taking these setups, you're not really making bread. You're just making more headspace, I guess. Not headspace. You know what I mean, yo. Well, at least this way, when I leave the markets, if I win a trade, I made some money. Versus me just saying, hey, I made some money on a challenge. $1,000, 1% on the challenge account is 1%, but it's not 1% you can spend. That's really what it is. We're trying to get in our bag, so see what Go wants to do. Like I said, man, that stop loss was freaking huge. 14 pips, fucking crazy, bro. But we got the moving averages in our favor too. Not that I, not that I really pay much attention to like the 13 and the 50, but I guess for extra confluence, we do have them there. So, like we said, we don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. We're in like some sort of 1 hour. Let me see. Not a 1 hour supply, so shouldn't be anything holding it up right now. Have any more gaps to fill, except for all the way up here. That could be a plausible place for price to want to react off of. Excuse me. So we've flown some profits right now again. Um, about 327 profits. We still got so much more to go. So much more to go, man. Like the 5 minute finally broke these 15-minute candle highs. I like that. Not gonna lie, these wicks here, these two wicks, I was kind of concerned about those wicks because, but then again, right, we have to actually close above those candle highs. So we broke it, but we can't really count our chickens too early. I'm exhausted. Just want to clean close above these candle highs right here. Got 46 seconds left in the candle. Just want to clean close above these candle highs. Time's at 9:04. Okay. We're pushing, but again, I need a clean close because we can push and then wick. And if you push and wick, that means there's some sort of resistance sitting there. So I need a push and a close. I had to edit a position real quick. Need a push and a close. How much pips he got left? Let's see. 6 pips left. 6 pips left. Come on, Lee. You have it in you to go these 6 pips. Like I said, I need a clean close. I'm gonna keep reading it because a lot of people would see a push and be like, yes, yes, get super excited. But man, I've been here too much. I've been here. This is like I would say my third or fourth year actually like sitting down and trading supply and demand, sticking to it. So like I'm telling you, I've seen price push, show you that it has some sort of buy momentum or some sort of momentum, and then by the end of like the 5 minute, end up reversing, kind of again just reconfirming there is some sort of resistance sitting it there. I've seen it so much, man. So I say the trade's not over until TP's hit. And again, bro, you get super excited when you see this type of thing. You're like, this is gonna work. This trade's gonna work, and then that's the moment where your psychology goes out the window. If the trade loses, your psychology goes out the window, and then it's just a shit show. About 1 minute left in the candle. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 9:25. It's gonna be a long ass video, bro. We're at seven. We were at 7:17. Literally approaching TP. 6 pips. We're at 8:01 right now. We are literally like how much pips away right now? 3 pips away. 3 pips away from target. Let's see if she has it in her. I'm gonna go break even from now. I'm gonna go break even. So we're break even on the setup. We are break even on the setup, guys. I don't like how I don't like how that candle flipped. but we are break even, so whatever happens, happens. Might even bring it a little bit more up just to cover fees. I do not want to, if it does go against me a little bit, I do not want to incur any fees. We'll see though. That was at 814. Bro, honestly, I might just take it. We'll see how this candle reacts. Yeah, I'm not paying for trading views. Screw that. At least not right now, bro. Screw that. Especially with how I trade. Nah, we good on that right now. When I pass this challenge and make some more money, then hell yeah, I'll do it. But right now, bro, free trading view works. You know what? I'm finna take this. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. So all in all, pretty good day. All right day. What was he? Made $772 today. So a good day. It's a good day. I will show you guys what my P&L for the month is looking like right now. Make sure y'all can see this. There you go. Freaking ad. Give me 1 second. So that is what my P&L is looking like for the month so far. We got how much more trading days left? 2, 3 more trading days left of the month, and I'm currently sitting at $3,988 on the month. Took my profits. I'm done for the day, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.